Hi friends, today we will explain how many rows and columns are there in Microsoft Excel from 2003 to 2016 versions. Excel versions like 2003, 2007, 2010, 13 and 2016. Uh, this is time to time upgraded versions in MX Excel and Microsoft Excel, and according to their rows and columns we can define. Here is I have already mentioned in this sheet 2003 MS Excel. Rows is showing the 65,536 and columns is 256 columns. If you can multiply then rows and column, then you will get the cells in the total sheet. Same as 2007, 2010, 2013, 2016 is the same rows and columns uh, right now. So or same the total sales in the right now. So we have defined okay, how many rows and columns in 2003 to 2016 MS Excel versions. If you like these videos, please subscribe to my online training channel JKS, and share to your friends and your circles. Don't forget to click on bell buttons for new upcoming videos. Thank you.